This video will show you how you can order our brand new prepaid Oligo coupons. Under Quick Order, Oligo Nucleotide Synthesis tab, on the very bottom you will find the option Prepaid Oligo Coupons. After clicking that link, you come to our new Prepaid Oligo Coupons order page. Here you can see the description and prices of the coupons. Order options are only available and shown for customers from Germany, Denmark, England, France, and Italy. Customers from other countries cannot order prepaid Oligo coupons. Prepaid Oligo coupons can be used to order our PCR primer and our SEC primer in tubes. To avoid shipping costs when ordering the PCR primer and the SEC primer, it is highly recommended to order our Oligo shipment coupons in addition to the prepaid primer coupons. You have the possibility to enter any quantity, starting from minimum 50 primer coupons. You can select the amount of shipment coupons based on what you think, how many primers you will want to order in the next couple of months. Select the quantity and click Add to Cart. Procedure is the same for the prepaid primer coupons. In this example, you can already see prepaid primer coupons in the cart. You can also edit the quantity on this page, for example from 50 to 56. Prices will be updated. Now you can check both options, primer coupon and Oligo shipment coupon, and press Order Now. Next, you can, as always, select billing and shipping address. Check preferences, and clicking on Next will produce electronically created coupons. Nothing is getting physically shipped, and of course the shipping costs are €0. Just enter purchase order number from your purchasing department and confirm your order. You will get the order confirmation on your screen. You can also always cancel the order from Orders page within 10 minutes time limit. As soon as this order has been confirmed, you can find your ordered coupon codes under My Oligo Coupons tab on your account. You can view how many primer coupons have been ordered and how many shipment coupons are available. In the tabs below, your newly created prepaid primer coupons are visible, listed from newest ones. This also applies for the shipment coupons. Now, you've learned how to order primer coupons and shipment coupons. You also know where to find these coupon codes in your account. Let's say you want to order a PCR primer in tubes. Select PCR primer in tubes. We're going to order just one as an example. Normally, amount would be bigger. After giving a sequence, you can add this product to your cart. Now, the system knows that you have primer coupons in your account and is asking if you would like to use them to pay. By clicking on Yes, the system checks and adds the products into cart with a price of $0. By clicking on the pricing details, you can view article number for a prepaid primer. After checking out, selecting billing and shipping address, checking your preferences and clicking on Next, you can view the summary and payment page. Here the system also checks if you have shipping coupons on your account. System will ask you if you want to use them to pay for the shipping. If you click Yes, you will notice that where normally there was shipping costs, with shipping coupons it changed to $0. Now you can add purchase order number and confirm your order. Coupons that you used will be marked as used in your account under My Oligo Coupon tab. That's it. Thanks for watching.